Ocean explorers, welcome back to Who Am I? Our hardest ocean quiz yet. Today's mystery sea animals can glow, shimmer, or change colors like magic. Ready to play? Let's dive in. Mystery animal number 1. It glows under the sea like a floating lantern, has no bones or brain, and moves by gently pulsing its soft body. Who could it be? Yes, the jellyfish. Some jellyfish really glow using special light chemicals called bioluminescence. Can you say bioluminescence? Number 2. This jelly-like animal has tiny combs that make rainbow colors ripple across its body like a tiny underwater spaceship. Who is it? Amazing! It's the comb jelly. Its tiny combs catch the light and make rainbow colors shimmer like magic. Number 3. This tiny creature swims standing up. The daddy carries the babies, and it can slowly change color to blend with coral and seaweed. Who could it be? Wow, the seahorse! It can change color to hide or to show feelings, like a slow, gentle color dancer. Number 4. This super smart animal has 8 arms and can change color and shape in a flash to hide from predators or surprise them. Who is it? Fantastic! The octopus! The octopus can camouflage instantly and even make itself look like coral or sand. Final mystery, number 5. This clever animal can flash rainbow waves, change its skin texture, and send signals with color. It's the ocean's real-life chameleon. Who is it? Perfect! The cuttlefish! It's a master of color, light, and pattern. The true chameleon of the sea. Fantastic work, ocean detectives! You found the ultimate glow and color team. Jellyfish, comb jelly, seahorse, octopus, and cuttlefish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next ocean adventure. Bye!